So in this quick tutorial, we're gonna go through Hive Social, which is a new viral app considered as one of possible replacements for Twitter. People are searching for new interesting social media apps as main social apps are in some kind of turbulence all the time. So Hive Social is an interesting alternative. Yeah, it's kind of, I would say it's a combination of Twitter, Instagram, and also Spotify. So you can express yourself with customizable music section. Yeah, you can create your account. There's a lot of pictures and visuals. Um, we make it easy for you to discover content you enjoy, whether it's photos, videos, statuses. Our music feature allows you to express yourself. Our Ask feature makes it even more fun to interact with other users, and with our chronological home feed, you will never miss a post from your family and friends. So yeah, one of the features of this app is just like simple chronological feed without some additional algorithms, which may deliver not the best results sometimes. But yeah, on the downside, this app is like pretty glitchy right now. It's jumped in the top charts, literally in the top 10 apps in the US App Store, and seems like either its architecture or like servers are just not like prepared for this. So it's like the app is at the moment super slow, um, but still I will try to show you some features just super quick. So here is the app. It kind of looks like Twitter, so you just follow people, and then yeah, you can see their statuses, their photos. You can retweet them, you can comment, you can like them. Then you can go to specific profile, you can block or report them. Um, yeah, then there are direct messages in the top right. You can just see who can send you messages. So that's like a DM experience on Twitter. Then there is a discovery feed. You can see trending posts. You can follow them. I don't know about all the types of content and moderation. Actually, I think you should be quite careful with all these new apps. There is a lot of spam here and like inappropriate content, but hopefully it's just getting better with time. Yeah, there you have it. Then on the next tab, you can just post your links. You can add photos, GIFs. You can add polls. Then you can see who can comment. You can disable that. Then settings saved. And then, for example, you can just post it. Then there is notification feed. You can manage those. As you can see, some buttons are not loading for some reason. I was trying this app for like a few days right now. It just keeps like that. I tried it like a year ago or something. Of course, it was much faster, but it wasn't in the top charts. Right now, I'm pretty sure I have pretty fast internet and my phone is not that old, but it's just like, the app is in the top charts. So it's pretty buggy. But anyhow, this is your profile. You can change your profile picture. You can edit your profile. You can just go here in top right. Then there is your account. So you can change all of this information here. Email, phone number, birthday. Security, you can easily deactivate your account or change your password. Privacy and safety, you can select private account. You can add some hidden words. You can see which account you blocked if you want to unblock them, or which account you muted. Then express yourself with colors. Music, so this is where you can connect your account to use the profile music feature. So just connect Spotify, Apple Music. So you can do that. Invite friends. So if you want to invite friends, just tap here. meaning you can invite people from outside of the Hive social app. So that's here, you can do that. Yeah, so that's basically the idea. That's how it works. Then there are all your pictures, and then that's how it works. And then you have your edit section. You have your name, username, pronouns, bio, website. You can display a zodiac sign and change your profile picture from here. So that's basically it. There is some support section, but yes, you can see the app is like pretty slow right now, but that's what it is. And yeah, that's basically it. So you can always just click on some photos, you can save, bookmark it, you can follow some people. There aren't that many people yet in this app, but it's growing. I hope it will become faster and more features. But yeah, what people like is actually pretty nice minimalistic design and kind of easy to use if you like Twitter. So it's kind of super similar. You don't need to learn a lot of new stuff. It's not that complicated as Mastodon. Like on Mastodon, people can't figure out all these servers, like how all that stuff works. Hive Social is just like really looks like Twitter, but yeah, hopefully they will fix a bit of this bugginess. But anyhow, that's Hive Social, really cool app. Interesting to browse around. I hope it will become faster as soon as possible, and that's that.